So it is a mess because we need to clean up after we build everything. But that's after basically breaking everything down and moving everything out of the way. And these are like the parts laying down. But this is a new cage. The cage is 8 by 10. It's 8 by 10 high.
Wide.
Wide. Okay, 8 by 10 wide. We put grids at the bottom so that the droppings could just fall and we can scrape it up and sell them. Wires on the side. The front will be wires as well. The back is wooden and covered so that the wind doesn't hit them in their nests. And right here, these nests will be for the mundane pigeons we're gonna get. And we put them like that because, you know, the old cages like this, like we have the door that opens and closes. We're gonna have it just like that at the bottom. If we want to keep them inside, we keep them inside. When we want to put them outside, we open it up and have them come outside with the rest of the population. This nest, they're all equally sized and divided. It's a 24-inch by 30-inch, each of these nests. And we have shelves to separate the utility kings that'll be on top of them. So you put utility kings right here. This will have a shelf. This shelf is already built up there. They're all the same size. The nesting bowl is going to be in the inside, and the shelf, they're going to come out here, dance, show their stuff, strut their stuff, and then fly around if they want to, go down and eat. This inside, it has a lot of space in the top too if they want to move around. It's a 13.5-inch by 12-inch. And when it's completed, we're gonna have the roof later on, but once it's completed, I'll post an update video for you guys.
Good job.
Thank you. You proud of me? Oh, it's cold outside. Where are your glasses? That branch was going exactly to inside of the case, so I tied it to grow upwards. He did the back first, and now he's finishing the front.